In this video, we're going to travel across a good portion of southern Idaho. Having left Lava Hot Springs, we're going to stop at American Falls. Then we're going to look at Hansen Bridge, and next Shoshone Falls, that blew my mind, and end up at Balanced Rock. This is the American Falls, Idaho, American Falls Reservoir, fed by the Snake River. It's the first town I come to once I left Lava that said Falls, so took a little detour here, and a lot of people fishing. Looks at the water line, this reservoir is way down, no trespassing. And that's the town of American Falls, Idaho. Still in search of the falls in American Falls, Idaho. Bet you that old building, chain link fence in the way. That old building's got something to say. I guess this is the falls. But look down there, there's a stork or something down there swimming. See him? Right there, kind of center left. He's hunting, he's fishing. But that should be the dam. This should be the electrical works. I can hear the generators humming. Those are those gray domes up there. And that's about all for this clip. I was crossing this bridge heading to Shoshone Falls, and I looked over the bridge and I saw this. Oh my goodness. As we'd say in Texas, that is one big ditch. Oh, for sure. Wow. Next stop is after this. This is amazing. Looks like somebody made a little hole in the fence. Stick the camera through without being obstructed. There's that tree. That is huge. You are here. It's the Snake River. The American Falls was one of the dams. Look at that. Just look at that. Wow. $5 to get in here. Gate closes promptly at 10 p.m.
Arrive at Shoshone Falls Park.
Yeah, before then. Good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fat and sassy.
I like it. There you go. You have a great day.
I will, thank you.
Thanks.
Wow, you should see what I'm seeing off to the right. Now you will a little bit. I'm going to get my iPhone out. This is what I was just talking about on the GoPro. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's beautiful. What a lovely place to have a picnic. One thing I've noticed up here is the greener the grass. The grass is greener up here. But look at this. Shoshone Falls, Idaho. And that building down there to the left, that must be the power generating station. Zoom in on that. Yeah. This is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh man, this is nice. Wow. Thank you, Lord, for letting me see this. I got the first parking spot available, so I get a little hike. That's okay. Y'all know I need it. I don't have a gimbal, so this thing's wobbling with me. This is so wonderful. I can't tell you how excited I am. A lot of families, children out here. Beware of ice. I don't think we have to worry about that this time. Okay, here's a map. Here's a map of the whole thing. Canoes down there give you some idea of how high this is. You see the rainbow coming off the mist here? I could listen to this all day long. Look on this side. Snake River. Idaho. Don't you know? Oh, if that's a private home, what a view. Having morning coffee out there on the deck. That would be awesome. I wonder if that's a private residence over there. How lucky they be. How blessed they are. No, I'm not saying nothing. I just became speechless. I had a better command of the English language for adjectives and adverbs and all that good stuff. The parts and shape down there.
You get some good pictures?
Great pictures and great video too.
You did an excellent job. Good job, sister.
Gotta get you some leg exercise.
Lots of folks.
What is that? Is that a chihuahua?
That girl recognized me from the Hansen Bridge. She says, I know you. Oh, my, who knows me up here? And she says, we saw you back at the bridge. So cute. So cute. That's her there with the scarf on the red shirt. I never imagined it could be this awesome. Simply awesome. Now I'm at the lower observation deck. That's the observation deck I was on before. A little bit more of Snake River down there. Let's see, what's next to see? Oh, Evel Knievel's ramp that he made. And there's the waterfalls coming out of the hills there. And what do we have here? We have fresh water coming right out of the hill. Now we're leaving Shoshone Falls, the park, back up the hill. I guess ATVs run up and down that hill there. Down there's the canyon we just came through. And here's the rocks. And right up there's the balanced rock. I hope it stays balanced for a while. Let me zoom in here. And can you see those people down there? Right there? Yeah, people climbing up there. This fat old man ain't gonna do that. The sun's in a good position for this. That's amazing. So I'm guessing all the land used to be at least that high. And just erosion over millions of years left it the way it is. Amazing. Here's the rest of the territory here. And then this is the official sign. It's not much of a sign, but it's a sign saying balanced rock right here. Stop. Look at it. Bye-bye.